First cast, we got us a shitloads of freaking shad. I'm gonna put them in a bag since we're gonna use them right now. But yeah, guys. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Carrasco Ranch. My name is Robert. If this is your first time tuning in this video, we're gonna do a little fishing. Hopefully we have some good luck. And yeah, starting off good. Look at all of that. Look at all those bad boys. So we're just gonna pick them all up and put them in a bag for now. They're going to be used pretty much immediately, so within the next hour or so they'll be used. Just gonna keep them in the AC. Before, we used to go all out and put a lot of time into preserving these things, but since we found this little spot to catch them, it's just easier just to catch them the day of, put them in a bag, and let's go. Alright guys, so that's pretty much, it's just going to be me fishing today, so this is plenty for me. And yeah, I really don't need to take more than what I need. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop it right there. One cast, and we caught, I didn't even count them honestly, probably about a little over a dozen shad. And these are like perfect size. I should have brought a wipes. I buy those wipes from Costco, and they come in the box. Well, I forgot them, so yeah, they come individually wrapped, so you can bring like each, I think it's like 10 packs or 12 packs in a box. But yeah, I forgot them, so. Just waiting for it to take it a little bit more. I want to show a little bit more commitment than that. Right now it's probably just holding onto it in its mouth. There we go. Ah, we lost it, guys. We lost it. Damn. That was a good one. That was a good one, but we lost it. Damn, that was a good one though. We already got one, guys. We got a bite on the other rod, but it's stuck. It's hung up. This one just took off again, so now we're gonna wait and see. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get my other rod ready. We got one on the line already. On the stringer, we got one on the stringer already. If this doesn't work out, I'm gonna check the video after this fish is done here playing. I may have to put you on the head, on my head as I think it'll be a little easier. But I may have to end up busting the other line, hasn't moved. This one out there, guys. And the line just stretched out. See if it'll take it. I don't think it's a turtle, but you just never know. Just waiting to see if it'll actually take it. I mean, it's pretty much as soon as they're touching the water, they're taking off. So that's kind of how I caught that first fish. I just threw it, gave it about a minute, and it took off. So I'm pretty sure they're blues. They feel like they're blues. Turtles kind of sit on the bottom. You have to drag them. But yeah, guys, I'm not sure. Hopefully we get something on it. I'm hoping it takes off. May just put you guys on pause and I'll come back if it does take off. Damn, I got hung up again. That's what's been happening, guys. It just took off screaming and it got hung up. So just gonna give it some slack, see if it'll take off again. If not, well, I'm gonna throw another line out. I have no idea what it is, guys, but might be a turtle, maybe? Or something, not really sure what the hell it is. It's fucking stick. Big old stick, too. So hopefully this one won't be a problem anymore, since we got it out of the way. Missed it. So we ended up getting another one. Kind of turned on the camera a little too late, because this one just whipped off that little tree looking thing I have there. Just whipped off. From there it came off down. That's what snapped me into, oh crap, I don't have a camera on. So there it is. Another one, guys. So it makes 3. I didn't even know this one wasn't even hooked on there, actually. Just I started reeling it in and I felt it.